for a crime you didn't commit. Today we're going to examine how the wrongfully convicted reclaim their lives after often spending decades behind bars.
Oh Lord, my God, I need safety. Surrounded by lions, they waiting. Don't let them get close to me, please. They wanted my soul in pieces. Lord, what have I done to deserve this? If I did evil, then let them return it. And let it be life without the key. Hey, if I did the crime, I'll do the time. But if I've been pardoned, then what's the verdict? I tell you what though, we gon' settle this real soon. Gotta rise, it's time for judgment. Let the assembly be gathered all around and rise above it. Judge, Lord, yeah, judge me too, according to who we are and what we do. What about that second book? Well, any name not found down in the scroll was thrown in the fire. Oh Lord, my God, you're my safety. I said who we are and what we do. And since who you are is what you do, if a man doesn't repent, does he really love the truth? It's like saying you love the chef but left a 1-star review talking about he knows my heart, we cool. My enemies all around now, they're digging a pit. If I was to fall in it, what is my hope for? Let us all do wickedness. Where is the justice when there is no wrong? This world would drive us all crazy without your righteous repayment. Lord, judge the wicked, let the righteous shine like the son of David.